Vivo V40 series has been teased by the company and will be launched in India soon. The phones will be launched in India in the month of August. It will include a base Vivo V40 and a Vivo V40 Pro variant. The Vivo V40 and the Vivo V40 Pro are teased to get similar designs, as seen in an official post. Vivo V40 Pro available in Ganges blue and titanium gray. Vivo V40 available in lotus purple, Ganges blue and titanium gray. The Vivo V40 Pro will sport a 50-megapixel Sony IMX921 main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX816 telephoto shooter with up to 2x optical zoom and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The front camera will also have a 50-megapixel sensor. The cameras on the handset are also feature Zeiss optics. The phone features a stunning 6.78-inch 1.5K curved AMOLED display with a 120 Hz. It will also have an IP68 rated build for dust and water resistance. The Vivo V40 Pro will be powered by the Dimensity 9200 Plus SoC, while the V40 will have the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chip at the helm. It could ship with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB storage. The phone is packing a 5500 mAh battery and support 80-watt charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.